Students, welcome to DAV Moyle Public School, Sita Sawangi. Today we are going to do revision of one chapter from First Flight, and the name of the topic is His First Flight's Revision, its second part. Let's see. His first flight, this story is an account of an young bird that is afraid of fly for the first time. He believes that his wings would not support him despite the younger siblings flying fearlessly with much shorter wings. He could not gather the courage to do the same. He was punished to stay hungry if he did not try. Thus, it was his another mistake that he was not trying anything new. He was afraid that his wings will not support him. His mother that compel him to fly by using food as a trap. The lesson reflects how one hesitates to take the first step, and that fear is all in the mind. One should trust one's abilities because the fear of suffering is worse than the suffering itself. So, the story throws light on the aspect that if you have a fear in your mind, you can't go ahead. So, let's see what happened. That day, we have already discussed that even though his younger brothers and sisters they started to fly in the beautiful sky, but the young seagull was thinking in a negative way. He was thinking pessimistically, and he was thinking that his wings will not support to him to fly. If he tried to fly, he will fall down. So what happened now? There was no another remedy for his mother. So what happened now? Let's see. His parents scold and taunt him for not even trying. They even call him a coward. They tell him a lot to at least try, and also threaten him to leave him alone and hungry if he does not. The following day he is left in isolation, and upon feeling hungry he tries to seek the attention of his family members. Only his mother, who is withering a fish, she was trying to attempt that he must learn something from her, and she was trying to attempt it, notices his son. The young seagull cries out of starvation, hoping his mother would help. On seeing his mother come to him with the fish, he gets excited, but on noticing that his mother stopped midway, he gets maddened out of hunger and takes a dive at the fish, forgetting for a moment that he is afraid to fly. Finally, he took his first flight. All the family members celebrate his victory by cheering and dancing around him. He also attempts at floating in the sea that he was once afraid of. Thus, he overcomes his fear and realizes that it is all in the mind. So, dear students, the story gives the message that whatever you think, you become. So, always be fearless. If you want to tackle any type of difficult situation, then you should have a positive attitude. Even though in the story the birds are presented, but these are also the incarnation of human beings. So, whenever you face any difficulty, so you should not think negatively. You should not afraid, because our mind is only our enemy. If you think positively, you can win any type of battle. So better to think positively and try to take always a high flight in the sky to achieve your goal. So dear student, this is the end of today's class. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.